Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the pairwise alignment. The process of lining up to two sequences and achieve maximal level of identity conversation of amino acid sequence. The purpose of assessing the degree of similarity and possibility of homology called as a pairwise alignment. For identity, similarity and conversion, identity is the extent to which two nucleotide amino acid sequences are invariant. Similarity, the extent to which nucleotide and the protein sequence are related, it based upon the identity plus conversation. Conversation change at a specific position of the amino acids and the sequence preserve the physiochemical properties. And the homology is the similarity, orthology, paralogy also important. And by compare two sequence, databases searches the usually useful to finding homologous. Databases searches don't provide precise comparison. Most of the precise tools are needed to analyze the sequences, the detail including dot plot method and the local global alignment method. So dot plot method is the general exploration of the sequence which is discovering repeated, finding the insertion of deletion and the extracting portion of sequence is the make to multiple alignment. In a local alignment, as I told you in a previous lecture, we have to find out the local region and similarity. In the global alignment, we have to find the similarity between the two sequence from the whole genome. Some application of the pairwise alignment is the convenience yourself to two sequence of homologous. This identify the shared domain and identify the duplicate region located in important features such as the catalytic domains, disulfide bridge, compared a gene, its a product, and what is the dot plot method. This is the pairwise alignment method which is using dot plot. A dot plot is a graphic representation of the pairwise similarity, and uh, the similarity of the dot plots prevent the artigrafts. Ideally, the looking for the feature that may come in the different orders. Reveal complex pattern benefits from the most sophisticated statistical analysis tool of the breed. Here is the showing. We can from the this here the showing when you have got similarity, so we can plot the dots from the similarity region. So these dot plots showing identities between short name, which is for the from the through the protein crystallography. When you find the similarity between sequence, you can plot the particular dot at that sites. So from this method, you can identify the similarity between two sequences. Here they're showing dot plot graph and how to make a dot plot graph. After that, the ATPase analysis, we can see the dot plots. Find whenever you find the similarity between, you can see the pairwise similarity through this method. So this is the pairwise alignment and the dot plot method. And if you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.